Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So in the first step we need to open command prompt. So just go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select yes. On this window we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. Type in net space winsock space reset and hit enter. After that type in net winsock reset space catalog and hit enter. Then type net int ip space reset space reset log.txt and hit enter. Once done, type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Once done, we need to simply type exit and right click on the start icon and click on settings. So here you can directly click on system. So once we are here, we need to just click on these three lines and click on system, and then go to troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and you will get the internet internet and network and internet option here. So we have to click on run. So this will try to fix the issue, and once done, close this window. Simply again right click on the device manager, click on, we need to expand the network adapter. Here it is, expand this, right click on the particular network connection, go to its properties, go to its drivers tab, select update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. If this not work, then you can choose the second option, click here and select the model, click on next, and the Windows has successfully updated the drivers. Once done, close all windows one by one and simply restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue instantly. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.